Now this is the touch screen section of the Samsung A05, and I'm going to walk you through the process on how to fix it. Most of these phones that while using it just stop responding to touch, and it doesn't just work and all. So some persons, when you change the screen, it works. Or in the process in the case where you have changed the screen, several screens, tested several screen, and it's not working, this is how to trace the line. Now you're going to be, you can see the names of the components as a DC to DC IC, the UCCMAD U042339. So let's see how these things work. If you see this line, this is the processor line. You can see the processor line. So 5 pin comes into this processor line. 5 pins come into this processor line. Then you will see it very well. You will see that the SPI, it has a serial port, interface. Serial peripheral interface has 4 pins. So there are 4 pins that is connected to this port. You can see the SPI CSB, SPI CLK, SPI MISO, then SPI MOSI. Now, when you see the SPI MISO, it means master in, slave out. You understand? Then the other one is master out, slave in. So these two lines that you are seeing, the master in, slave out, the SPI MISO and MOSI, they're the primary lines that that sends in data and out. You understand? They're very, very important. Then if you see this other line, you can see CTP. You can see the CTP line. Then let's see where it's coming to. You can see it here. This is the LCD line, LCM line rather. I see the VDD IO 1P38 or something. Where is this one coming to? Let's see where it's coming to. You can see it's coming to the power IC here. That one is coming to the power IC. So look at this one now. This 4 pin. This has to do with both display and the both the graphics and display line. In case whereby the phone is showing, but it's not. It's just showing character on the or font, but it's not bright enough. This is the line, the 4 pins here. That's the SPI and SPI input and output master slave. Then while this one is in orange, that is the graphics line. That is the primary line, the CTP, that is coming to this other side of the what's it called, of the processor, the CPU here. You can see. So this is how it is. Now what you do is, when you begin to trace from that line to this other part, now you will agree with me that there are about 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's a resistor. There are 2, 3 capacitors here that is connected to the 4 pin, but the last one doesn't have. Now you can easily either trace it to this line, to any of this 40 capacitor, if there's any 40 capacitor, or each of these, you can see is connected to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 line but 16 pin on the processor. Yes. So it could be that one of the pins are broken. Now, in that case, which is a board issue, if you run a jumper and it doesn't work, then you can discuss with the customer. It's going to be in so way. You understand? It's going to be like this or like that, so that you will be on the safer side, because you have to definitely reboard the processor to know, on the CPU rather, to know that, to be sure if it's going to work or not. Do you understand? So this is the power line. The VDD is the one that is powering the LCM. So you can see. So that's how to resolve it. I'm talking about the touch issue on Samsung A05 and A06. Thank you.